As they say, money makes the world go around, but there's a specific set of people that are mostly behind that thought process. Entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are key players in any economy, creating and maintaining businesses for every possible need or want out there. Entrepreneurship is a high-risk, high-reward field that offers those who persevere in wealth and satisfaction. However, not everyone is an entrepreneur. There are specific traits and skills required to be a successful entrepreneur. Even if you're the most convincing sales talker in the world, if your ideas are too convoluted, you wouldn't be able to get your products off the shelf. Even if you have the most innovative idea, if you're clueless about finances and operating a business, then your idea will most likely just remain an idea. Being a successful entrepreneur is the dream of many, but often stays as a dream because in reality, it isn't for everyone. How do you know if entrepreneurship is for you? Let's dive in. Who is entrepreneurship for? Entrepreneurs are individuals who create businesses, bearing the risks and enjoying the rewards. However, being an entrepreneur is a multifaceted job. You simply aren't just an entrepreneur. You also have to be an innovator, a businessman, a customer service representative, your own finance and accounting department, or the face of your brand on top of all that. Entrepreneurship is for people who are eager and ready to face the gargantuan task of maintaining all aspects of a business. It's not for someone who wants a small investment and quick cash. It's for those willing to dedicate time and effort to maintaining a business. Unlike, say, a doctor who needs to have finished medical school, there are no prerequisites in order to become an entrepreneur. Anyone can become one if they want to, from the very young to the wise and elderly. There are, however, characteristics and skills that separate good entrepreneurs from great ones. Characteristics and skills needed. First, while there are no educational requirements in becoming an entrepreneur,